Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again and with me, Raihan Kenzi Avando. So today in this video, I want to demonstrate a game about my application project that I made using Kodular. So this is my second project of application that I made using Kodular, which is radio online or online radio. So in here, I want to show you first in my workspace at the Kodular page that there are some menu at the left and in the right. And this is the front view of it, which is there is a title in the most top, and then also the photo of Ustadz Khalid Basalamah. And I choose one of his Kajian, which is provisions for the afterlife. So for this radio, I make it to become an Islamic radio about one of Kajian that presented with Ustadz Khalid. And there are also a slider for the radio, and then 3 buttons, which is pause button, play button, and stop button. And after I show you the front page of it, I also want to show you the code that I made for this application. So in here, there are 5 groups of code that I already made. This is the first group of the code, which is screen 1. So when screen 1 initialized, it will call the decoration for it. It will choose the component for image 1, which is the image of Ustadz Khalid Basalamah, and then choose the border color to be blue and make the edge become round, and yeah, that's it. And go to the next one, there is pause button click. So when the pause button click, the player will be paused and it will make a notification for the user that the radio is paused. And when stop button is clicked, the call player will stop and it will notify the user that the radio is stopped. And then when the screen 1 is back pressed, it will call player 1 to stop and then close the application. And then the most important one, for the last one, it is play button. So when play button is clicked, it will set player 1 to play the Kajian source that I already put in here, and the player will start. So the radio will be start playing and it will notify the user again that the radio is playing. So whenever you control this radio, you also get a notification from the application. So you don't need to be worried about is it already paused or is it still playing. You don't need to worry about it. And the next one, I will demonstrate it with my phone. And now we will continue the demonstration through the phone. Okay, so in here I using my phone, and as you can see, there are the application of radio online. Not only that, you can also scroll until the bottom, which is the place for the 3 button, the pause button, play button, and stop button. And then in the most top, you can see the radio online title, and then also the image of Ustadz Khalid Basalamah, and the title of his Kajian. And then in here there are an image of a slider that I add, and let's try the application. If you want to start the application, you can press the play button at the center. If you already click, there will be notification like this, then it will start the kajian.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, kalimat yang selalu kita ucapkan dari lisan kita kepada.
If you want to pause, you can use the left button or the right button. And then if you want to play again, you can press the play button again, like that. So what's the difference between the pause button and the stop button? So for the pause button, it is for pausing the kajian. If you press it again, it will continue. But if stop button, if you press it and click play again, it will start from the first. And maybe that's all that I can demonstrate to you all about radio online application in the phone. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.